Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma held a virtual meeting with the Indian Olympic Association President P.T. Usha and officials from the Meghalaya Olympic Association to discuss the state's preparations for the 39th National Games in 2027. The Chief Minister highlighted investments in sports infrastructure, including upgrades to the Jawaharlal Nehru Sports Complex, the Wayajar Stadium and the P.A. Sangma Integrated Sports Complex, among others. He also emphasized Meghalaya's track record of hosting major events like the Northeast Games in 2022 and the South Asian Games in 2016. Officials confirmed Shillong as the host city, with Tura and Joai hosting select events. Indian Olympic Association President P.T. Usha expressed optimism about Meghalaya's readiness to host the Games, which will follow the 2025 edition in Uttarakhand.
But the Meghalaya has done MOU on 2018. So we wanted to give it to Meghalaya, and because we want to support Northeast.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I will do the needful. In fact, I am meeting Honorable Home Minister tomorrow.
I am sure Meghalaya also will be able to contribute to the Olympic dream that Honorable Prime Minister has set, that we have bid for 2026, and I hope that we will, Meghalaya will contribute greatly into that in producing adequate athletes. So from our side, the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, madam, we are fully prepared.
It's because Northeast, of course, has a very strong love for sports, and many sports persons are coming up in this region. And an event like this would really motivate them and push them, and we will be able to see the impact of that in the years to come. So, the opportunity to really push the overall scene of sports can happen with this one Games. It's not just about Meghalaya, but it's really about the Northeast as a whole. It's the last Games were held in 2007, 2008, so that's almost about 18 years back. And we would be really happy to host this because, as I said, it would be not just an opportunity to host a game like this, but it is more importantly a chance to the sports persons, especially from the Northeast, and it will be a great motivation for them, and as I said, a great opportunity for us. So we really look forward, and we really would like to once again appeal to you as a government to give us an opportunity to host this prestigious event.